Is Gemini available on the Play Store? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Is Gemini available on the Play Store? Before I get into that, though, I want to take a moment to talk about what Gemini is. Gemini is a large language model, or LLM, that is being developed by Google. It is designed to be able to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Gemini is still under development, but it has already shown some impressive capabilities. For example, it has been able to write articles that are indistinguishable from those written by humans, and it has also been able to generate code that is functional and efficient. So, is Gemini available on the Play Store? The answer is no, not yet. Gemini is still in the early stages of development, and it is not yet ready for public release. However, you can still get access to Gemini in a few ways. One way is to sign up for the Gemini waitlist. This will give you early access to the model as it is being developed. Another way to get access to Gemini is to use the Gemini API. This API allows you to interact with the model programmatically. Once Gemini is available on the Play Store, it is likely to be a very popular app. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So, there you have it. Gemini is not yet available on the Play Store, but it is coming soon. If you are interested in getting early access to this exciting new technology, I encourage you to sign up for the waitlist or use the Gemini API. In the meantime, I will continue to keep you updated on the latest developments with Gemini. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. You can also add a call to action at the end of your script. For example, you could ask viewers to share the video with their friends or to follow you on social media. You can also include a link to your website or blog in the description of the video. You can also add a link to a related video or playlist in the description of the video. By following these tips, you can create an engaging and informative YouTube video script that will help you to grow your channel and reach a wider audience.